drunken retreat. No tears of surrender, no words of defeat. And the Barclay sang in Nightingale Square. It was 4 in the morning and no one was there. With the moon in their eyes and the stars in their hair. The Barclay sang in Nightingale Square. There's a smile on the face of the politician, that leader of men, knowingly understands that you take what you see and corrupt where you can. And if you don't agree, you ain't part of the plan. And the Barclay sang in Nightingale Square, with rings on their fingers and bells in their hair. There was love and laughter and sunshine to share when the Barclay sang in Nightingale Square. There's a gleam in the eyes of the military man. It's a race for a ride, it's a ride to the end. There's no need to play games, there's no need to pretend. If you're not one of us, you're the enemy's friend. And the Barclay sang in Nightingale Square, with spikes in their